What up, YouTube? We got the cowl done, so now we need to sand off all these little pieces of fiberglass. So let's do that. All right, let's get all these little stragglies off here. Okay, we got all those little stragglies all off it. We can start shaping it for all these lines to match up, and then this bottom line to match up. Then we'll put Bondo on it. All right. Okay, so I got a lot of red lines drawn on here where I need to cut it, so we can get it into like a rough shape, so we can start putting the Bondo on it. So let's do that. Okay, now we got a rough shape. Start chipping all this kind of stuff. Right here's a little bit. Cut that out. There we go. That out there. Everything else looks all right. We might be able to start putting the Bondo on it. Right here, we'll get this off. All right, let's get the Bondo and start coating it. So I put the Bondo in there and then a line of hardener. Then we're just gonna mix it all in there like this. It'll start turning colors. All right, let's go put it on the bike, on the part. And putting it on just like this. We're gonna get it as smooth as we can. This stuff's gonna become hard as a rock. Let's go mix some more up. Okay, so it's been drying for 24 hours. Now we're gonna sand it. This is 40 grit, some of the strongest you can find. And it's gonna take a minute. So this part takes forever. Like I always say, just take your time. I'll come back and show you after I spend like, 30 minutes on it. Okay, so we got it sanded pretty good. Now I need to make more filler, Bondo, and go over all these little holes. We're gonna fill this in, let it dry, and we'll come back and sand it again. Okay, so that second coat of Bondo's been dry, and I've been just sanding it like this. What we're going to do is get it as smooth as we can. Then we're going to do one more coat of Bondo over all the little holes. We'll sand it smooth. Then we'll be ready for paint and primer. All right. All right, that's smooth enough. Let's get that other Bondo coat on it, and we'll sand it smooth. Okay, so here we are. After it's dried, all we have to do now is fill in all these little pinholes you see here. Just a light coat over that whole thing. So let's do it. All right, let's finish smoothing it out. All right, we almost got it. All right, let's put it on the bike. Okay, next step, gotta put some paint on it, some primer. Stay tuned.